Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I have 40 woodworking tips, tricks and hacks for you. So if you like it, please subscribe, share and give me a thumbs up. Number 1. Create your own wood filler. This is a really simple hack to make your own wood filler. Fill the gap with glue. Rub some sawdust over it. Let it dry for a while. And sand. Number 2. Clamping with hot glue. If you don't have clamps available, you can use hot glue to hold the pieces together. Just leave some open spots here for the hot glue. Press firmly together. Hack number 3. Clamping with CA glue. This is the same as hack number 2, but using CA glue instead. Number 4. Release hot glue quick and easy. Simply add a drop of isopropyl to the glue and it will release immediately. Number 5. Avoid glue squeeze out on miter joinery. Lay your pieces in line. Add a piece of tape. Now this brings me to hack number 6. Clamp miter joinery with tape. To add more clamping pressure you can use hack number 7, which is clamping miter joinery with rubber bands. Simply add rubber bands like this. Or if you want more pressure, and there you have it. Number 9. Perfectly flat sanding surface. Use a piece of glass. Lay your sandpaper on top. You can even use some spray adhesive to glue it down to the glass if you have larger pieces you want to sand. Number 10. Sand curved objects. Take a piece of plexiglas, take a piece of plexiglass like this, add some spray adhesive and glue the sandpaper to the plexiglass. Now you have a flexible sanding strip for curved objects, and you can shape and bend it like you want. Number 11. Drill bit screw holder. Simply add a magnet to your drill bit, like this. Number 12. Nail holder on your hammer. Simply add a magnet, like this. Number 13. Don't hit your finger with the hammer. Number 14. Bit holder on your drill. Add a dab of hot glue to your magnet and attach it to the drill. Number 15. Pilot holes with nails. Cut the head of a nail. Number 16. Drill straight holes. Use 2 pieces of wood. Hold them together like this. Number 17. Depth measure on drill bit. Measure the length you want. In my case 3 centimeters. Number 18. Drill bit countersinker. If you don't have a countersinker, you can use your drill bit. Number 19. Sharpen your pencils, quick and easy. Hack number 20, metal dowel. Cut off the screw like this. Use some sandpaper. There you have it. Number 21, clean small spaces. Use a plastic cup. Make a hole. And put a drinking straw in. Like this. Number 22. Avoid paint spill when you're adding paint to your paintbrush. Use a rubber band. Stretch it like this. Hack number 23. Avoid paint bleed under the masking tape. Sometimes when painting over masked areas the paint can bleed under the tape. To avoid this you can paint the first layer the same color as the surface, in this case white. So first I paint with white. When the white paint is dry I can use my contrasting color. Now there won't be any bleed under the tape. As you can see here, the paint got under the tape, and this is what we want to avoid by painting white first. Number 24. Save your paintbrush without cleaning it. Simply add a plastic glove like this and add some tape. Number 25. Don't waste your paint tray. Use some aluminum foil. Add paint, and when you are finished, just throw away the aluminum foil with the paint. Number 26. Anti-slide glue-ups with nails. Cut off the head. And now you can clamp this together. These pieces of wood will not slide around when you are clamping. 27. Anti-slide with salt. Spread the glue on your piece and use some regular table salt. When you are clamping now you will get more grip, preventing the pieces from sliding around. Number 28. Simple marking gauge. Just add a screw in a small block of wood and you have a marking gauge. Number 29. Use pencils as push sticks. If you have small pieces like this, you can use pencils to push it through. I would only do this on very thin wood. Hack number 30. Sometimes it can be difficult to drive the screws in. Just add some candle wax, or you can even use soap. Number 31. Make your hand plane glide better. Simply add some candle wax, like this. Number 32. Quick zero clearance insert on a table saw. Just use a thin sheet of plywood and some tape. And there you have it. Number 33. Avoid tear out when cutting plywood on a table saw. Just add some tape. Number 34. Cut thin strips of wood on a table saw. If you have a cast iron table you can use a magnet. Make sure it's behind the blade, like this. Number 35. Split long boards in a limited amount of space, and if there is a wall there so I can't push it all the way through, you can do it like this. Number 37. Improve jigsaw cuts with a piece of tape. This makes it much easier to follow the line. 38. Rake handle dowels. If you have an old rake or something like that, you can easily size them down on a table saw if you have a crosscut sled. Set the blade height like this. Add a stop block here. Number 39. Mill metal using a drill press and a Dremel. Be sure to wear protection. Number 40. Easy push block. If you want to make a really simple push block, you can use some anti-slide. I think this is called anti-slide mat or something. Now use some hot glue and glue this in place. And make a handle on top of this. And you have a really good push block. This is a commercial version. This is the easy homemade version. This slides easy. This is impossible to slide. This is a very good grip. You can of course make it more beautiful than this.